Hey yo, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to, FIFA Ultimate Team. And yes, we are going to do a pack opening. Yes, we are on my funds account. Now, it's a 35k pack, so let's see who we got. Let's have a look. It is an Arsenal player. Really? Arsenal. Really? And we got a silver player as well. What the hell? Pace on that kid. Anyway, let's see what else we've got. Sure, I've seen some coins. 2,000 coins. Take them any day. Right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna sort all these cards. Well, not all of them. Actually, we're gonna discard this one. We're gonna discard that 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 one. And that is it. So this is your boy Andy, and this is what we got in the pack opening, which was a load of shit. Those to show don't get packs, but you, the viewers, want me to get packs, so there you go. Anyway, please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.